Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're going to be riding every single ride here at the Thorpe Park Resort. So today is Mardi Gras here at Thorpe Park, and it's the last day, so it might be quite quiet. So that means we'll be able to go on all rides in all the different lands. I'm very excited because we haven't been here yet this season, so I'm just dead excited to get on every single ride here, including ones that we have never done, haven't done in years. So we're going to start by going on Stealth. Great ride on Stealth. Next it's time for ride number 2, a storm in a teacup. Let's go. So we are shooting through these rides, and next it's ride number 3, Rumba Rapids. Let's go. Moving our way round then into the jungle, and next we've got a big coaster which is NEMESIS Inferno. Very excited for this, haven't done it in a few years. So let's get in the queue line and get on NEMESIS Inferno. Off NEMESIS Inferno, and that was again really good. It was incredibly smooth, it wasn't rough or intense at all, and I just generally really enjoyed it. So we're going to go on Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride now for our next one, and then we're going to continue around into Old Town to do Saw and Black Mirror Labyrinth. Walking around into Old Town, then it would be rude not to mention Project Exodus, which is the huge new roller coaster that's hopefully coming to Thorpe Park. There's just a little piece of artwork for it. It's going to be the tallest in the UK, but we'll continue around to show you Old Town and all the different signs they've got to tease it. So the Black Mirror Labyrinth is only on a 5-minute queue, and it's our next ride in the challenge. So let's go. Black Mirror Labyrinth is now completed. It was alright, wasn't the best run through I've ever had of it, but now it's time to do Samurai, and I've never actually done this before because I don't like these sorts of flat rides. But we're here for a challenge of riding every single ride, so I'm going to go on it, and it's only a 15-minute wait. Just completed Saw the ride for our next ride of the day, and that was incredible. I absolutely loved it. It was so smooth, so it made such an enjoyable ride, and I haven't been on it in ages, so that inside drop caught me off guard again, just like when I used to go on it. That was just so good. I want to get back on it again if we have time today. You can just hear how smooth it's running. But next we're going to head round into the Lost City now to do Colossus, which I'm quite excited for, because again I haven't done that in a while. now we're round by Colossus, and we've actually just done Colossus, and it was really good. Bit rough, I banged my head a few times, but it's all good fun, and I'm glad we got on it. Now it's time to do my favourite flat ride here, which is Rush, and I'm very excited. We're also going to do all the other flat rides like ZODIAC and things like that, all the way around in the Lost City, so let's go. Time is now 18 minutes past 2 and we are flying around Thorpe Park. Now it's time to do Vortex and ZODIAC, but they're only on 5-minute queues, so we'll quickly jump on these and move round to Swarm Island to do this. Just before we head on to Rush, did you know that Colossus is actually 20 years old this year? So they got this lovely decorated hashtag Thorpe Park sign, and they've got loads of merch, which we also might show if we get time to go in the shop a bit later on. Great rides then on ZODIAC and Vortex, and we were going to do Quantum now, but we're absolutely starving, so we're going to go and find something for lunch, and then we'll come back to Quantum. So we had a lovely lunch at the pizza and pasta buffet, and I also had a Mardi Gras king cake and a passion fruit pop. As it's the last day of Mardi Gras, these snacks won't be returning, so I just had to try it, and they were really nice. I thought the passion fruit pop was going to be ice cream, but it wasn't. It was like a cream. But yeah, they were both nice, and I am so full now. So we're just going to go on tidal wave, because why not? I am going to put a poncho on because I don't want to get soaked, because it is quite cold today, and I've got to drive all the way back. So let's enjoy, well, we'll just go on tidal wave. So after a soaking wet ride on tidal wave, my shoes are soaking wet. But now it's time to go on the Walking Dead the ride, which is the indoor roller coaster here at Thorpe Park, and I'm excited to go on it. If you are a fan of The Walking Dead, you would absolutely love this ride, but for now it's the next one on our roller coaster challenge. Okay, so we come straight out The Walking Dead. It was on a 0-minute queue, and it was so funny because like there was 2 performers in there, and like the girls behind us just kept screaming. It was hilarious. The actual roller coaster is really fun. It's not thrilling at all, perfect for little ones, but obviously it's quite a scary theme. But now we're going to go on Storm Surge. This is probably going to be the longest queue of the day. It is now about 3:30, so we haven't got that much time left to do them all, but I think we'll get them all done. After these, we're going to head to Swarm Island, then Quantum, then Detonator. We've still got so many more to do, but join us for a ride on Storm Surge. So we completely forgot about flying fish on our way to Swarm, so we're going to do that now. It's only on a 15-minute queue, and it's a great little coaster, so let's get on it. So great ride on the flying fish, and unfortunately Swarm is down at the moment. So we've come round to one of the new attractions, which is the playground. But unfortunately we're not going to be able to go on this, which is very sad, but let's continue round. We've made our way back over then to Lost City to do Quantum, which is one of mine and Jamie's favourite flat rides. It's just so funny, the airtime and stuff you get on it. So I'm dead excited to get on it, so let's do it. Here's the other new ride for this year called High Striker, which was actually lumber jump in Old Town, but as I said before, Exodus is going to be built there. Fortunately, it is down at the moment, so we can't go on it. So we're going to continue round to Detonator, which I absolutely love. So here we are then at Detonator, and personally I think this is one of the scariest rides in the park. And let's go on here, I'm so excited. Staying in Angry Bird / Mardi Gras section. It's time to do King Pig's Wild Hog Dodgems. And the first time I ever did this is in 2014 when it opened, so yeah, I'm excited for it.
Everybody, it's Mardi Gras. 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 Woo! It's Mardi Gras. Happy Mardi Gras.
So that's it, we've just completed our final ride of the day, which was the Swarm, and I thought it was incredible. All the rides here are so good and they're so fun. I absolutely love Thorpe Park and I'm so excited to come back for Carnival on the 22nd of July. Also, Mardi Gras has been really good today. Loved all the food, the merchandise, the parade was also quite good. It doesn't compare to Alton Towers, but you know, never mind. But thank you so much for watching this video of us riding every single ride here at Thorpe Park. There is still 7 minutes left until ride close, so it can be done. It is a 6 o'clock ride close tonight, but it's literally 5:53 now and you're able to do it all, except Darren Brown's Ghost Train was not open today, unfortunately. So we haven't been able to do that, which we did really want to do. If you did like the video, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. That's a wrap.